Yo guys, welcome to this YouTube dance channel tutorial. Welcome to this tutorial guys. Now, see this dance over here. Guys, let's do the dance tutorial. In case you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe down below, click on the subscription button down below, like this video and share to your friends for you to see the next dance video I'm going to post. So let's dive right into the video. Now, the first step in this tutorial is ding dong twice. I'm doing it twice guys, so it's side 1, side 2, upward, side once, then that is 1, 2, 1, 2. Next thing guys, so that's the first step. Okay, so let's continue now. Now the first step in this challenge is side. Let me do dance so I can get the concept. Chinga. Twice. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. That's to and fro. It's once, to and fro. It's twice. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So while you are doing this sideways movement, you should be shaking sideways too like this, shaking sideways too like this, shaking sideways too like this. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's my waist is shaking. That's what you need to do guys. Now after that, the next step is pen it down. You slow it down, your system goes down. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen guys, you swallow down the system, then when you are halfway there, you bring your swan forward. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think guys. So once you are halfway there, stretch your hands forward. One after the other. So it's ba. It's ba. Remember, one after the other. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Benji, listen guys, one after the other. In case you have not liked this channel, subscribe down below, click on the notification bell and share to whoever you want to see this video from me guys. So let's dive right into it by video once more. Now let's go from the beginning. Everybody let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think guys, it's an easy dance tutorial. It's like that former Adele tutorial we did, I think last year December or early January. We did one try that. I think last year December, early January was like that tutorial. So it's just something similar. So I think if you know that Adele challenge, you also know this one also. It's something similar. So let's go. Then to the next step. Next step is that's the next step guys. So it's you swiping to the right with your legs going that way. So it's then swiping to the left going that way too. My waist is going side, up, back, up, back, up, back. So let's go to 1, 2, 3, go. So let's go 5, 6, 7, to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left, to your right, to your left. So it's right, left, right, left. That's one. Right, left, right, left, up and back, 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 back. Let's go, guys. 5, 7, 8. 5 from the start, guys. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8.